Sinama ko kayo dito sa kusina para matouch ko tong bar. Kasi parang natutulog siya. Kasi kagabi, bago ako makatulog, 35 or 37 minutes siya. Nung pagising ko ngayong 6, ano pa lang siya, 50%. So sabi ko, ano nangyari? Anong oras na? 7:18 na. So, ayan, kaya sinama ko kayo dito. Gagawa tayo ng breakfast ng mga bata para mapindot-pindot ko rin kayo dito. Katabi ko na kayo. Ngayon, kasama ko naman kayo dito sa kusina. So, yan, gawa muna ako ng breakfast at saka baon ng mga bata. Malapit na siya. So, late ang vlog natin ngayong, dapat December 5 to. Ayan, December 6 na. So, ayan. Dapat kagabi yan.
No, no, turn back. No, what is 2? 1 fast one, 1 slow one.
Yeah. Kasi tina-timelapse ko kayo sa phone. Sabi niya, nagtatang siya ba't dalawa?
But,
Ang init ngayon. How many degrees today, Kuya?
36 or 7.
Mom, my
36 degrees ngayon.
Or 7.
Dad, my brother ate this from Christmas.
Yeah.
It
Dad,
says
put it in the
Christmas.
fridge.
It says Christmas.
Yeah, but it's Christmas. But what is not? Cat boy! On the fridge.
Yeah, Kuya TJ has one.
What are they going to do with me?
Well,
This can't fit, Mom.
Because you have too much.
Sorry, but the apple has to go
Yeah,
there.
it's alright like that one. Remove some. May ano ka pa, apple. Ay, watermelon.
That's not. No, why you don't use one?
No, this is for the
Watermelon?
fruits. Yeah.
I'm not gonna have watermelon, please.
Yes.
Mom, why would you do that and cut your hand?
I'm not gonna cut my
Then when you do this,
fingers because I am very careful now. More careful. And can you get me, Kuya?
Mom, why did you do this on the knife?
Get me
No,
That's your bag.
No, that's what
Ay! Yun ang mga pirana. Oh.
Mom,
Careful your... can you get that for Holly? The bib, please? Making sure you wash your hands before you eat this, ha? Before you eat your food, ha? Always. Always. Where's the plastic bag?
Oh, yeah.
The plastic bag. That.
Oh.
Where's the
Mom,
seat
the
now?
brown one's for TJ.
Are you there? No, Mom, no. I'm not ready.
This one's more. Yeah, the brown one. Can I
Ayan,
put the brown one?
lalagyan ko sila ng ganito kasi sobrang init ngayon.
And what is this one?
Yung ice pack freeze. Ice pack ba yan?
Go.
I think you need a bigger ziplock, Kuya.
Ziplock. Oh, that's remember you cut yourself with that knife?
I know, I remember.
You gotta be careful with this one.
I am gonna be careful. I promise.
No, you can't cut yourself when you're doing that. Only when you're sharpening it.
Yeah. So now I am.
Too many.
It's alright because it's too hot today.
Mom, if it's too hot, I'm putting my head under the.
Make sure.
Yeah, TJ. Do you know where to fill up the drink bottles? I know. And you didn't drink it out of the tap.
I know. Hey, Mom,
Yeah.
when I get hot, I'm gonna put my head under the tap.
No. Because your head is too hot, and then you're gonna put water. No, that's not good. Never do that, ha? Don't. Kasi ngayon sobrang init ngayon. Kasi summer na dito.
What? Why?
Because it's not healthy. Just listen to me and don't do that.
Yeah, you only drink it out of the tap.
Si Sak na magpe-prepare ng ano niya, ng
Mom, why
Yun nga,
you turn this on?
yung snacks niya, tsaka yung tubig niya. Lagi niyang gustong fresh ang tubig niya. Pag halimbawa, hindi niya naubos ngayon, bukas, ano niya yan, itatapon niya yung laman ng tubig, tapos kukuha siya ng bago.
Mom, cut the unbrain thing.
No, I'm just gonna do like this. Put your water in your bag now, please, so you won't forget.
Stop. Thank you. Yeah, I see me.
Tyron. Ayan, eto na yung lunchbox ni Zach. Siya ang naglagay ng mga snacks niya dyan. Ayan, masagana na siya compare kahapon kasi nakapag-grocery na tayo kahapon. So, ayan, meron siya dito yung mini na Ritz, yung Scotch Finger, and yung Cocoa Pop, yung Split Sticks, and yung fruit bar. And eto yung fruit din to. Masarap din to. Ayan. And eto yung lunch niya. Ang lunch nila is smiley frites. Ayan. So, diba? Hindi magugutom si Sak. And, meron pa pala tayo, speaking of, eto yung brain food nila. Watermelon ngayon, hindi apple kasi sobrang init ngayon. So, padadalan ko silang watermelon na may, eto, para malamig yung, watermelon. And kay kuya naman, si kuya naman naglagay nito. Si kuya, hindi gaano katulad ni Sak na matakaw. So, kay kuya, eto, yung Ritz na mini, and meron lang siyang isang Cocoa Pops, and then isa nito, yung Split Sticks, and eto yung fruit bar din to, and ayan, sandwich. And eto yung watermelon ni kuya, meron na siya dyan na, ano ba to, ice pack, para malamig yung fruits niya. So, yan. And ilalagay ko rin to kay kuya. Yung bag kasi ni kuya, may protector siya para dyan sa ice pack. So, ilalagay ko yan sa ibabaw ng dito, sa ibabaw nito. Where's your milk? Ayan. Isasara ko lang siya. Sandali Maganda tong bag ni kuya, itong Billy Bong bag. Kasi may kasama na siyang lunchbox nung binili niya dyan. Wait, baba. Ayan naman. So, ilalagay ko to dito. Ganyan. Or kaya sa ilalim kasi nandun yung sandali. Wait lang. Baguhin natin yung paglagay ko ng watermelon. Rini-arrange ko kasi yung ice pack nasa ilalim para malamig talaga yung watermelon. And then, meron pa siya dyan sa ibabaw na maliit na ice pack. Ice pack, tapos yan. Ilagay natin yan dito. So, para malamig ang kanilang kakainin. So, ayan. Ilagay natin to dyan sa ilalim. And then, eto din. Sara ko lang. What's that, Sa?
The morning star's drawn.
The morning star?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yes. Give me yours. And eto naman yung kay Sak. Akin na yung bag mo, Sak. And eto yung lunch bag ni Sak. So, ang gagawin ko, ilalagay ko to dito sa ilalim. Para dito sa kanyang yes. Then, ilagay ko dito sa gilid yung kanyang watermelon. Ayan, para malamig siya. Ayan, diba? Ano yun, Zachary? Okay, put your lunch bag in your bag now, please. Ayun yung, inaayos niya yung bag niya.
Mom, I'm drawing Diko.
Why?
Because I made it vegetables.
Yes, and fruits.
Teja's not growing.
Oh?
Teja's not growing.
Why? Why he's not growing?
Because
Okay, where's your gel? Ayan, hindi yan aalis ng bahay pag hindi mo ginel ang buhok niya. Very, conscious siya sa buhok niya. Pupunta pa to sa salamin, i-check niya kung may mga nakatayong buhok. That's right. You can see yourself here. Excuse me na. Nag-aaway pa kami nito minsan. Pag hindi ko ma-fix yung dito niya. Your bag here. Come on, Kuya.
I can do one.
Come on. I can do. Come on.
I want to.
Hurry up.
Mom can do a pricker.
That's right. Is it good now?
Yeah, that's you.
Huh? Come on, Kuya.
Brush your teeth, TJ.
Kuya TJ. And you
We're nearly going anyways.
that's right. You have to brush your teeth now.
No,
before
I
you go.
can't do my teeth is always clean.
No, you didn't brush on my mouth.
Come on, brush it.
Do I have tindy in my life?
No.
Do you take us through my life?
No. Okay. Ayan, tapos na yung lunch nila. Mag-walking sila ngayon. Are you gonna walk?
Yes! I'm a big boy! I'm a big boy!
You're not big boy.
No,
You're a girl.
Mama, when you're at Tinder, you can walk with us. Okay, can she?
Yes.
Huh. Mum, Holly can do free when she wants to do the Tindy, but if she's still little, she can't.
Yeah. She's still baby. She
Yeah,
cannot go
she's
to
still
kindergarten.
eating bed.
Baba, put your
Mom,
clothes
I've
down.
never seen
So, ayan, i-ready ko lang sila kasi maglalakad sila.
Holly eat
Ang daldal niya.
pumpkin for a long time.
Ano yon?
I've never seen Holly wear pumpkin for a long time.
Pang what?
Pumpkin!
She's a, kasi dati lagi ako nagagawa ng puree. If she's not a baby, need to have puree food. Kasi dati, lagi kong pinupuree yung food ni
Mom,
Holly.
because onion,
Onion?
not onion.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin. Because pumpkin's smoothie and
Smooth.
it's good to eat.
Yeah, good to eat. It's very healthy. Ang dal-dal, diba?
Water really healthy.
Yes, we need water in our body. So,
And smoothie drinks is not healthy. That makes your teeth dirty out.
what's that?
That makes your teeth clumsy out.
What?
Smoothie drinks.
Smoothie drinks.
Yeah, that will make your breath stink.
Oh, narinig niyo? Umiyak na ka siya. Umiyak.
Bye.
Umiyak na si Olive kasi alis ng mga kuya niya. Okay. See you. Bye. We're not going with them, Baba. Come on na. Gusto mo sumama ni Holly.
Bye bye, Baba.
Okay. Okay.
Where's my kids?
Oh, here. Okay.
Listen, Lynn.
Okay, listen and learn. And look left and right.
Yep.
Okay? Before you cross the road.
Left, left.
This is your left. This is your left and this is your right.
And this one's
Okay,
your
see
left. No, this one's your left. This one's your right.
No, this is your left. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Bye. Did you put sunscreen? I have to put sunscreen. Come on. Get the sunscreen first. Ang init. Mag-sunscreen muna sila. Okay. Rub it with your hands now. Your nose. Wait. Your nose. Your ears. Come here, Isaac. Stop moving.
Mom, it has to be just your.
Here.
Mom, it has to be just your face. You always do it.
Your neck.
Yeah. And not your face, not your arms.
Yeah.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, your arms.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because what if you get sunburn on your arms?
That's right.
Wait, we never get sunburn on my arms. You got red face yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, Holly.
Yeah.
Hey, Baba.
Oh.
Your arms.
Oh,
Neck.
you done it.
Okay. Rub it.
Baba. It's okay. It's okay. Just
Kuya, why your socks is too high? It's very hot. You should wear
But these
Sh-
are only socks.
now. You have to wear short socks now because it's summer.
Ow.
Okay. See you. Love you.
Bye. Bye bye, honey.
Bye. Say bye, Kuya. Ayan, tumigil na siya umiyak. It's alright now, Kuya. It's alright now. Bye.
What did I say on the door?
Ay, come here. It's not. Come here. No more sense.
What?
Wait, Kuya. Kuya, wait. Okay, see you, Nak. Love you. Thank you. Ito ang pinaka-sweet ko talagang anak. Good. Love you, Baba. Listen and learn. You're going to school, not in kindy, Sak. See ya. Bye. Okay, come on, Holly. Yeah, bye. Ayan, magsasampay ako. And speaking of sampayan, eto galing to sa sampayan. Kakakuha ko lang ngayon. Ayan, alabulubundukin na yung aking mga tupin. Meron pa sa kwarto ni Holly kasi hindi ko pa sila natutupi kasi lagi ako on the go. Lagi akong umaalis ng bahay. Maraming ganap. So, ayan. Ang dami nila. Tapos na ako magsampay. And, tingnan nyo yung si Holly. Sinama ko siya sa pagsampay. Kaya pala, marami siyang mga ganito. Pag lumalabas siya ng bahay na ganyan lang siya, naka t-shirt or naka shorts, lagi siya may mga ganyan. Tapos kamot siya ng kamot. So ngayon, alam ko na baka sa sa grass. Ayan, oh. Pati sa legs niya. Let me see your legs. Ayan yung legs niya, oh.
I will be.
Oh, kinakamot niya ng kinakamot. Tapos meron pa dito, oh. Baba. I doubt, lagi kang naka-leggings. Ayan, oh, ang dami niyang rashes na. Kasi laro siya dun sa labas habang nagsasampay ako. Tapos kamot siya ng kamot. Baba, no. Mami na. Lagyan natin ng ointment. Alika na. Ayan. So, ayan. Bihisan ko lang muna to. Napansin ko lang kasi last time din, marami rin siyang rashes. Sabi ko, ano to? Sabi ko, baka sa hangin. Ayan, oh. So, bihisan ko lang muna to kasi alis kami.